the place. It's actually quite far. I did not expect it to be this far, but it's okay. Enjoying it. It's great. Yeah.
And that's what brings us together. So due to that, even coming for hikes, as you see, we encourage people to come through, but it's your assessment. You're a hiker and you see, okay, this is my own risk, I'm going to hike. But I have a first aid kit just in my backpack. And last time we found quite a lot of buffalo and velvet beans. So if you know, they itch a bit, so I have cream, anti-itch cream in my backpack as well. But I hope you are all geared, have got some snacks, and are just ready to have a good time. Yeah, so we've hit one snack, but we'll try to move past it. That's we are not at the destination we are supposed to be. We're like 2 or 3 kilometers away. But if you're not dirt roads, yeah,
so we are currently moving to, we've just started the hike. We haven't really gone that far. We just started literally, so yeah.
Hey, hi. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Nice. Ready got you on walk? No, not sure, bro. That's water? Yes, it's water.
Yes. You are now. You don't mind being in a YouTube video, right?
I don't mind. My name is Kasia.
Who?
Kasia.
Kasia.
The first time I'm hiking.
Oh, okay.
Evidently, I am out of shape.
This is my 3rd hike. Yeah.
What was the first time you hiked?
I was in grade 7. And then the second time, I think I was in high school. Yeah.
Now you're in uni? Are you...
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm in uni now.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are you from Zambia?
No, I'm not.
Where are you from?
I'm from Swaziland.
Ah, okay,
Yes.
cool. Swaziland and Eswatini, no.
It's
the same, yeah?
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
So Swaziland and Eswatini is the same, and then there's Lesotho.
Yes.
And all within South Africa.
Lesotho is
Lesotho.
within.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and then Swaziland shares borders with South Africa and Mozambique.
And Mozambique, yeah.
Yeah.
Kasia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Take care.
So cool. Wow. It's moving backward, like using its back legs. Nice. So what does it do with this?
So this thing, it's food, that's food.
Really?
It carries like...
There's a lot of mud houses out here. And then, except for these, I don't think that's a mud house. But yeah, there's no electricity here, no service. It's just, wow, that's nice. Sorry, I'm a bit distracted, but I'm really enjoying myself. The people I am out with are really nice. Anyway, the ones that I've talked to so far, they're really great to talk to. Yeah, so right now we're hiking to a waterfall. That's what the whole trip is about. It was written on the thing that they sent. It was written waterfall hike. So that's where we're going. And apparently there's gonna be lychee picking next week, but I don't think I'll go for that. Yes, your girl needs to save some money. Yeah. Anyway, I love this. Like, when I was younger, going to my grandparents' place, I used to be scared of going out because, okay, honestly, I am scared of cows. So every time I would want to go out, I would think about a cow like just coming after me, which has happened before. It was not a nice experience, but I managed to get away. So yeah, that's what I would think about. And you would think that I'd be more scared now because I literally don't know what's outside, like what's out here, but here I am, just yeah, walking in the bush. Yeah, but it's, like I said, it's a nice bush. And oh, I just saw something. I don't know if you can see ahead. It looks so big in person. Yeah, and it looks like it's going to rain, but who cares? We're outside. We outside. Yeah, who cares? So yeah, those are the other people that I'm with, and the others are coming from behind. And I'm wearing my white Ulsters, yes, because, well, this was the only shoe I could sacrifice. I know you're thinking like the white one, really, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm enjoying this. Anyway, Converse are, I would say they're comfortable. Okay, we're coming to a stop. I'm not sure why. Yeah. Well, I have to give a disclaimer that I am a YouTuber. Okay, for some, not everyone. For the people that I talk to, so that they don't get awkward, or yeah, it's not awkward. So like I said, like some people just, they're living out here. And like I said, it's very serene, I'm sure, but it's also just so isolated. I'm not sure I would manage, unless of course I grew up there, but and when I live like at my granny's place, and since I am just walking through Agaho, and I'm just going to look for my grandfather's cows. Yeah, that's what it feels like. We're just waiting for some people. I'm sure you can hear them in the background. Yeah. I'm tired. So I'm tired because I was running just a bit. Because I was trying to catch up with these other guys. But I'm seeing now that it was useless because now we're waiting for them. Yeah. Because they gave us a rule that you should always be in twos at least. You shouldn't just walk on your own. So that's what I was, because I was getting, what can I say? Like the other group behind me was too far off, and the group in front of me was also far. So I was like, let me just run to the one in the front. Yeah, okay, they're here. This is very steep. Oh my god. It's getting steeper.
Yeah. It's trying to get through the wall.
Coming down will be fun.
Yeah, I think it'll be better. Even though they say coming down is harder, I don't know. Yeah.
I guess just gravity pulling you.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
I'm happy.
I think the steepness was added more. Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff. What do you think, eh? Nice one. It's okay. I'm good, but thanks. I'll take you up later. Who's not my run? Good. Are you what? Can you zip what? Alright. Is everyone rested? No, wait for them to rest as well. It was a bit of a steam.
It's very steep.
Oh.
We're going up again. Okay, I need to get myself together, otherwise I'll fall. Okay, let's do this.
I think you'll be okay.
Outside? As long as I don't look where I'm going, I'll be fine, because then I get intimidated. Because I'm like, that's how high we're going. So I'm just looking at the ground. What are these? These red fruits or wild fruits. Oh my god. Okay, I think I need to concentrate now. Also, it's not too hot, so yeah, we're not really getting burned by the sun. The sun is good, but yeah, for today, we thank God that it's not scorching. Yeah. And there's service up here because we didn't have network whilst hiking up here, but there's some network. Yeah, and we get a stone to put there. Cool stuff. Maybe you can turn it to the other side. It's okay. So we're at the top of the mountain now, I think. Yeah, so I think we're close to the waterfalls. But yeah, so far it's been great. Yeah, thank you. Wow. It doesn't look dirty, honestly.
Oh yes, this is worth watching. Like this is worth watching.
Like, what? What?
Now we swim.
I want another one.
The view is worth it. Now the sun is getting down.
Yeah. Oh, you said this is Kafue now.
Wants to go in, eh?
I'm going to slip.
This is reminding me so much of home. I just feel like I'm back in Eswatini, even though I'm there, because like in Lusaka it's very flat. So this is nice. It reminds me of back home. So we're going to the second waterfall now.
Very small. Oh yeah, small. Very small. All the kids are looking at
But Kelvin said that the headman has said she doesn't own the spring, she owns the land.
Exactly, and it's low as well.
Yeah, a whole no doesn't make sense. Cause where do you start? Where do they cut it for you? And where they like it just doesn't make sense. Yeah, it doesn't come to the thing. Sun is coming out. We're almost there. Yeah. There's a shop here. Yes, I do.
Really? What's the channel?
Shanty underscore. Shanty.
How do you spell Shanty?
CH. Yeah, Chantal, like from
Oh, okay.
Shanty underscore S. So
And what do you post there? Is it more of a vlog?
it's vlog like this. So I just do vlogs and other shorts.
I'm probably gonna get a WordPress, but not blog exactly.
Oh, okay.
Pictures.
Oh, I see. Yeah, no, I sometimes I talk about stuff, but
What's your
mostly it's
blog?
like faith based.
Follow it.
Are you potentially planning to have a podcast? No.
Maybe no, I don't know. I talk, but
This is nice. That's a podcast.
yeah.
I think I like the podcast.
Who?
It's called That Z Podcast.
Oh, okay.
Finish in my suggestions.
Sorry?
Finish in my suggestions.
Let's just do a body count. So, other thing is next weekend we'll be having a lychee picking in so we're going this way. Next week.
Oh, just one word.
Just one.
Fun.
No, and don't repeat the words.
What?
Gibson.
I need to see that.
Liberating Nelson Mandela version. Yeah. Peggy. Grace. Adventurous. Cool. Cool.
Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
Exciting.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Eye-opening.
Enthralling.
Rolling.
Worthwhile.
Worthwhile. Enthusiastic. Fantastic. That's a repetition. Those are the
Yes.
Yes.
Lunch on her.
Oh yeah.
Mountain.
The word was speechless.
Rocks, grass, and trees.
Mountain. Or waterfall.
Shouting lady.
Or crazy lady.
Crazy lady.
Or lady crazy.